Hello everyone and welcome to my tutorial on how to make Nim's Solstice bacon wrapped cherries, which are ridiculously easy to make but massively popular. So to make them you will need a chopping board. Ooh, don't set fire to the chopping board. A knife, a tub of glacé cherries. I mean, you probably don't need a tub. I usually go through about a tub, but I'm usually feeding about 20 odd of you. So, gauge it by your appetites. I also usually go through about a pack of streaky smoked bacon. You do want smoked and you do want streaky. So you can substitute if you need to. It's really not that important. But if you're going to buy the ingredients to do this, buy smoked streaky bacon and the glacé cherries. Oh, and finally, some cocktail sticks. You will need those too. I always lose them, so I have to buy a new pack every year. So to make them, first of all, go put your oven on to about gas mark 6. You're gonna have to Google what that is if your oven doesn't use gas marks, because I don't know off the top of my head. So yeah, preheat your oven to gas mark 6. Usually when I'm doing this, the oven's been on for about 6 hours at this stage, so give it at least 10 minutes to preheat. Get your bacon. Let's see, could do half a pack. No, there's only 2 of us. For this test run, I'm going to get about, what's that, four rashers of bacon. And we are going to slice it in half. So this is enough for 8 cherries now. What you do is you take your, hope you can see this, half piece of bacon, you take your cherry, you shake out apparently all of your cocktail sticks. Don't do that. Take your cherry, I mean it's not complicated. Wrap it delicately. Oh, so cute. And then stick a cocktail stick through it. Stick a cocktail stick through the end of the roll so it all holds together. Push it through just a little bit. There you go. This is what it looks like. That is a bacon wrapped cherry on a stick. And then get your bowl. You want one with a lip so it doesn't all fall out. And just rest it in there. You see that? Like that. And you can just sit with me here while I do 8 of them, if you like. So here we go. I'm going to wrap it round. Oh, little jacket of bacon for this cherry. Pop a cocktail stick through the middle. Push it through just enough so I feel the spike on the other side. And I'll do some more. So yeah, like I say, usually do these the day before. And sometimes if your streaky bacon is a bit too easily separated, sometimes it splits down the middle, then you can just fold it over. Fold it over and give it a double coating of bacon, if you like. Because the cocktail sticks can sometimes start to split them apart. See, like this one. This one started to come apart on me. So I'm just going to wrap it over like that. I'm just going to kind of fudge it over, to be honest, and then stab it into place. There you are, see? Rescued, sort of. People will shove it in the face and they won't care. And I'll just do some more. This is sticky, by the way. The glacé cherries are sticky. The bacon is slimy. So, it's, if you're squeamish about these things, wear gloves. Drink more before you start. A drink at this stage is recommended. I have to go driving later, so none of that for me, unfortunately. But, get into the festive spirit. Oh, this one's gone a bit wrong as well. I'll just cover it in bacon, stab it. There you go, it's fine, rescued. Okay, we've just got 2 more to do. So yeah, I would say to go for something reasonably thick cut, but if you go for super thick cut, it gets a bit ridiculous trying to do the wraps on these. There we go. Last one. But yeah, the combination of the salty bacon with the sweet cherry, especially as it starts to caramelize as it warms up, is delicious. So there we have some bacon wrapped cherries. Look at that. And see, that would last at solstice about maybe 30 seconds. That amount might not even make it out of the kitchen, to be honest. But like I say, make however many you think. I'm just doing a test run at the moment for the video, and I'm leaving myself this much bacon for actual solstice. So I'll come back in about, I can put it in the oven for about 20 minutes, 25, eyeball it really. At this stage of solstice, when it goes into the oven, I'm usually a little bit tipsy. Everybody started to arrive and everything is coming together in the kitchen, and then suddenly I need to chuck these bad boys in the oven. But I always know that they're going to make people smile, and therefore anything else that I mess up doesn't really matter. So I'll see you in about 20 minutes or so you can see how they've turned out and watch me eat them. Enjoy, see you in a bit. Okay, it's been 20 minutes at gas mark 6 and they look golden and crispy and delicious, but are a bit hot. So we're just going to move them over onto a plate. Hot, 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 hot. So depending on how rushed I am, I will either send somebody round holding the hot dish, offering them out, but if we've got time, it is better to transfer them to a plate so they don't get soggy sitting in the juices that have run out. So there we have some bacon wrapped cherries that are probably just a little bit too hot to go straight in my face. But you know, open up the back door, wander around for a bit, drink some more fizz, and then they're probably about ready. I mean, they smell delicious. Am I going to regret this? No. Reasonably hot, but I don't regret it. They could have stood another couple of minutes, but you know, so like I say, it's more of an art form than an exact science. But now I have some bacon wrapped cherries, hurrah! And I will have many more for solstice. And now I'm going to try and work out whether these will make the journey as far as taking them to fill, or whether I'll have eaten them all by the time I get there. Who knows? Well, good luck with making your bacon wrapped cherries, and hopefully I will be joining you for solstice feasting and bacon snacking. Take care, happy solstice!